Bobby back again, and today we are doing a cigar review on the Wise Man Maduro by Foundation. This cigar was created by master blender Nick Melillo, and you may be familiar with the once called El Walense. This new cigar is now manufactured at My Father Cigars, and it is cloaked in a delicious Mexican San Andres wrapper, and the binder and filler feature components from Esteli and the Jalapa Valley region. Now that I've been smoking it for a little bit, it's more on the medium to full-bodied side of strength. You'll detect a bit of flavor notes of some creaminess, oak. On the retrohale, you get a little bit of black pepper and some earthiness is in there. These are available in 8 different sizes that come packaged in both packs of 5 and 25 count boxes. You can grab yours today at cigars.com.